Santa Clara County Civil Court sounds boring, right? Well, buckle up because this story is anything but. It's a tale of legal chaos starring Commissioner Ty Van Dot and District Attorney Jeff Rosen. At the heart of it all, the blatant misuse of workplace violence restraining orders. These orders are meant to protect people from actual threats of violence, but in this case, they were handed out like candy. And not even good candy, the cheap stuff that gets stuck in your teeth. The entity seeking these orders wasn't even properly registered. Imagine going to court and finding out the other side is basically a ghost. That's what happened here. No corporate standing, no evidence of violence, just accusations flung like spaghetti at a wall. It gets worse. These orders were issued without any real proof, no due process, no chance for the accused to defend themselves. Just a legal system that seemed to have forgotten its own rules. Now let's talk about due process. It's a cornerstone of our legal system. It means everyone gets a fair shake, a chance to tell their side of the story. But in this Santa Clara courtroom, due process was thrown out the window faster than a mobster's alibi. Court documents were improperly served. Imagine getting served with legal papers, but they're delivered to your neighbor's dog. That's basically what happened here. On top of that, the court relied on unsigned, unverified documents. It's like trying to pay your taxes with monopoly money. Motions to quash, which are legal requests to invalidate the flawed orders, were completely ignored. It's like raising your hand in class and having the teacher pretend you're invisible. The court just plowed ahead, building a case on a foundation of quicksand. This wasn't justice. This was a legal circus, with the clowns running the show. So, what happened because of these bogus restraining orders? Well, the petitioner, who was on the receiving end of this legal nightmare, ended up arrested. Yes, you heard that right. Arrested based on orders obtained through a system that seemed determined to ignore its own rules. And it didn't stop there. The petitioner was slapped with contempt of court charges. It's like getting a parking ticket while you're at the DMV trying to renew your license. The whole thing reeked of injustice. This arrest, these charges, they were all built on a foundation of sand. The very orders that led to them were invalid from the start. It's like trying to build a skyscraper on a bouncy castle. It's not going to end well. The petitioner became a victim of a system that had lost its way, a system more concerned with ticking boxes than ensuring justice. Enter District Attorney Jeff Rosen, stage left. He took these flawed, frankly ridiculous restraining orders and decided to up the ante. He filed criminal charges against the petitioner. For what? Essentially for the same conduct that was already addressed in the bogus restraining orders. Talk about double jeopardy. It's like getting fined twice for the same parking violation. But wait, there's more. Rosen then decided to play hide-and-seek with important evidence. We're talking about evidence that could have helped the petitioner, evidence that showed they were being targeted unfairly. This is called suppression of exculpatory evidence, and it's a big no-no. And the cherry on top of this legal sundae of disaster? Rosen went after the petitioner for a parody video claiming it was some kind of serious threat. The First Amendment called, and it wants its lawyers back. This was a clear violation of free speech, plain and simple. The Santa Clara court drama is a stark reminder that justice isn't a guarantee. It's something we have to fight for, every single day. Because when the legal system itself becomes the weapon, we're all in trouble.